This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Captions Unavailable message and where it appears. That tells you if the issue is server-side, missing file, or device-related. Next, check whether the video expects uploaded caption files, auto-generated captions, or live captions so you know which fix applies. Once done, open the app or browser and confirm account permissions and the playback device. Old app versions or disabled accessibility settings often block captions. Now move to restoring or supplying the caption source. Now restore the caption source by uploading or relinking a valid SRT or VTT file. Make sure it is UTF-8 encoded and timestamps align with the video. If relying on auto captions, trigger reprocessing or request a fresh transcription and allow extra time for longer videos. Meanwhile, clear the app or browser cache and test an alternate browser or device to rule out local rendering issues. Make sure the platform caption, toggle, and accessibility settings are enabled so captions can render. Finish by playing the video with captions enabled, scrubbing through the timeline to confirm synchronization and visibility. Adjust timestamps if lines appear off. If captions remain unavailable, inspect hosting status, regional restrictions, or privacy options that might block processed captions, and confirm the file is attached to the correct video version. If problems persist, export the caption file and run it through a subtitle validator to catch formatting errors. This single validation step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.